identifies self by name, and identifies the resident by name. Washes hands, explains the procedure to the resident, speaking slowly, clearly, and directly. Maintains face-to-face contact whenever possible. Provides privacy. Adjusts the bed to a safe working level. Locks the bed wheels. Lowers the head of the bed to make it flat. Moves pillow to the head of the bed. Asks resident to bend knees and place the feet on the mattress and push down with the feet and hands on a count of 3. Stands by the bed with feet apart facing the resident. Places one arm under the resident's shoulder and the other under the resident's thighs. On count, shifts body weight and helps resident to move toward the head of the bed while she pushes with her feet. Positions resident comfortably, arranges the pillow and blankets, and returns the bed to the lowest position. Places call light within resident's reach. Washes hands. Documents the procedure.